It was on 25th March 1971 that Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who has won the election both in East and West Pakistan, which was not accepted. East Pakistan forces started going against the Awami League in terms of atrocities, genocide. That help was sought from Indian side. We trained the Mukti Bahini forces. We surrounded the entire East Pakistan and we prepared for an ultimate war.
हाँ, बहुत सौभाग्यशाली माँ हूँ मैं, जो इस प्रकार का बेटा मुझे ईश्वर ने दिया। योद्धा वही है जो युद्ध में जीत कर वापिस आके बगैर किसी खरोच के अपने माता पिता का आशीर्वाद लो। हम आपसे यही उम्मीद करते हैं, जाओ आप। और ये युद्ध में चले गए। 21-22 साल के थे, बच्चे थे बिल्कुल।
My battalion from Nagaland moved to the Meghalaya border. While we were training, carrying on these minor operations, which are called surgical strikes in these days, I had been instructor in the commando wing. I carried out several of them. I was just 22 years old. It is all called domination of the battlefield. When you have full confidence, full preparation, then the battlefield becomes easy.
हम लोगों को ये मालूम है कि ये सैनिक हैं, कभी भी कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, ट्रेन के डब्बे से उतार लेते हैं कि जाओ लड़ाई शुरू हो गई। और जब माताएं तिलक करके जब विदा करते हैं छत्रानियाँ, तो वो कवच पहना देती हैं कि जाओ युद्ध में जाओ और जीत के आओ।
It was on 1st December we got to know Pakistani is going to launch an airstrike on 3rd December and we will retaliate. That is what our brigade, 95 Brigade, was told to go and surround and destroy. 3rd December night we were crossing the border. Moved into a place called Bakshiganj. Artillery shelling started. Our brigade surrounded Bakshiganj. There, company commander Major Ayub, he got killed in an artillery shelling. So with no leader, Bakshiganj vacated. From then on, we had to cross the Brahmaputra river. We crossed it in fishing boats. All that planning was done. We crossed the river, went south on axis, Jamalpur, Tangail, Dhaka. That was, a roadblock was laid. On night of 10th, 11th December, we were to launch an attack. But it so happened, in the night, about 2300 hours, on night of 10th, 11th December, they started assaulting our position. And we were well entrenched. The trap was set and the enemy was walking into our trap. 4.5 hours battle carried on and Pakistanis were killed. 231 dead bodies next morning.
उस वक्त ये मीडिया भी नहीं था, मोबाइल भी नहीं थे, सिर्फ रेडियो को सुनते रहते थे।
At afternoon at about 2 o'clock news, the greatest story we heard on the All India radio by Lothika Ratnam. She announced that after a night-long battle of outwitting and outmaneuvering the enemy, the strategic town of Jamalpur has fallen to the Indian forces. And as for planning, paratroopers were dropped on 11th December evening at Tangail, at the Pongli Bridge. I was the detail as the link-up officer, right in the front. Very few individuals, I should say, get a chance to lead the advance of the Indian Army. En route, I found Pakistanis withdrawing. Then, short of Tangail, I met a Tiger Siddiqui. I asked him my first sentence, "Dushman kidhar hai?" And he very promptly replied, "Dushman bhag raha hai. Pura Tangail khali ho gaya. The enemy is running back to Dhaka. What better situation to liberate a nation?" We went to Dhaka and 13th December onwards, Dhaka was surrounded. Psychological warfare took place by the Field Marshal, Chief of Army Staff, General Manik Shah, and they unconditionally surrendered to the Indian forces on 16 December. We entered 16 December in the afternoon to a rousing welcome. Indian Army Zindabad, Indian Army Zindabad.
वहाँ युद्ध में उनको एक जैकेट मिला दुश्मन का और उसमें कुछ पैसे। उन पैसों से उन्होंने अपनी माँ के लिए 19 रुपए की एक हैंडलूम साड़ी खरीदी और अपने झोले में रख ली। पूरे लड़ाई में वो साड़ी झोले में रखी रही। मैं सुन के बहुत हैरान हो गई कि कितना तगड़ा विश्वास था। जैसे इन्होंने कहा, आपका दिया स्कार्फ मैंने बांध लिया था कि गोली नहीं लगेगी। वो साड़ी मेरे लिए अमूल है। जब वो साड़ी ये दूल्हा बने, मैंने ये साड़ी पहनी और इनको टीका करा और ये साड़ी को सहेज के मैंने एक सूटकेस में रखा हुआ है। मेरी अंतिम यात्रा के लिए ये साड़ी जाएगी।
She has been a very guiding principle in my life and always advising me, आप एक बहादुर सिपाही हैं हिंदुस्तान के और हिंदुस्तान के लिए आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए मैंने आपको जन्म दिया है।
जय हो, जय हो।